Hi, I'm Oldie from Flitz. I'm here today to show you on this Mercedes wheel brake dust. Major issue, especially with foreign cars because you have softer brake shoes. Now this is metal pre-clean. This is a product that works like acid, but it's not. It's made of salt. You can spray it on a wheel that's coated like this, clear coated. You can use it on a regular polished aluminum wheel. It will not make the aluminum dull like you do with acid. Simply take a brush and agitate it. And by doing that, you'll knock loose all the brake dust and any film. A lot of times you get road tar, different things like that. Try to get between here. And then when you're done, to make it stop working, simply use water. Water instantly neutralizes the pre-clean. And you can see how the brake dust and everything just runs right off. Now in a lot of cases, we sell this to car washes and things like this. This is good enough. That's all they want to do. They want to quick spray it on the car and get it done. But if you're anal like I am and you want the real polished look, let's take a dry towel here and dry this up and show you how you can polish it with a buffer. And by the way, you can see actually when you go real deep in the wheel how this pulls all that brake dust out of the back area. So if you're really fussy like I am, you can see how you can clean inside here and get all that brake dust off inside just as well. The Flitz polish is for paint, plastic, and metal. Simply put a little bit on. I just use my fingers. Some people use a paintbrush and things. Now since we've been demonstrating here and polishing, we use buffing devices like this. This is a 5 to 7 inch buffer. There's a shaft built in the back. This is a 2-inch buffer. This one's actually designed more to get in a hole. If you notice these little flippers over here, you can use them right inside like that. There's plastic on the shaft, so if you have to hit something, you're not going to harm it. It'll get in all the tight areas, right around your lug nuts and things. And you can see how it works right like this inside. Once you get that done, to do the large area, I'll simply use the big buff ball. And this one will do the areas right in between, I call the smile of the wheel. Now as we do this, this ball you can see is a little bit dirty, but you can wash these up to 5 to 6 times. And this gets right in between here. And if I use it right around here, even around this air valve, it doesn't tear up. Anybody here has ever used foam before, you know, it will tear up. These will not. I just simply wipe off the residue, and I'm done. You have a polished wheel. Now this protective coating from Flitz will last between 2 to 3 months in salt water and 4 to 5 in fresh. If you use a ceramic sealant, which you can use on your paint that comes from Flitz, this is actually meant for aluminum, stainless, and because this wheel is actually clear coated, you're polishing the clear coat. So I simply put it on, and as you can see, it almost looks like water, and just wipe it off. Now this will dry instantly, but it does take basically 2 hours to cure. So we try to recommend that when you do a wheel or paint on your car, try to leave it dry for at least 2 hours. That way the moisture doesn't get on it and it'll hold up much longer. This way you get a protective coating for up to 1 year. If you go to flitz.com, you'll get a lot of video like this. We have a chat room. We have a phone number you can call, our help desk. We'll be very consumer friendly, try to answer any questions for you, and try to look at all the different kits and packages that we offer online. Again, flitzit.com and Flitz It for shine and last.